Travis here at the Wildlife YouTube channel. Today, me and my son Max are headed to the Nueces River here in Texas to do some fishing and have a great adventure.
All right, check it out.
Woo! What do you think, man? Are you super excited? All right, going to the next spot. We have not seen another person on the river and we've gone about a mile. It's awesome. Ooh, this is a cool spot. Okay, got one. Got a fish, Max. Max. Oh, that's all right. Reel it in. Reel it in. Do a little bit of show and tell on the gear here, just in case one of you guys wants to take your son or daughter out on a kayak fishing trip for the day. It's a day only trip, not an overnight. So here we go. So here's a little bit of everything right here. It's not much. Right here we got a soft-sided cooler. This is just a cheap Coleman. Water bottle. Sea to Summit dry bag. Anyways, you're gonna put your wallet, phone, anything you don't want to get wet in there. Small first aid kit, knife, some mosquito repellent. Anything you do with kayak needs to have a leash on it like this. I've used some of this rapid rope. It's like a high tensile strength utility rope. I use it for all sorts of things. I actually keep this in my truck. Fillet knife in case you catch a fish, a little bit of extra fishing line. Here's some of the tackle that we're taking, mainly spinner baits and topwaters, and then another box with worms in it. It's my little Plano tackle bag. Some of my essential gear in there, like a whistle, nippers, pliers, stuff like that. This is all the stuff in case you need to go. Number 2, dude wipes, absolute essential. A little bit of TP and some wag bags. Now onto the kayak. This is my Jackson Mayfly. I really love this kayak. It's kind of big. It's 14 foot or 13 and a half. But it is an awesome kayak. It's got a super comfy seat that can do 2 different positions, so you can put down low or up high right here. As always, take 2 paddles with you. You never know when you're going to lose one. In this compartment, got anchor and a little extra rope. This is a paddle leash. Pipe to put the wag bags in, and a life jacket for each of us. So put that back on there, secure it. Now here in the back, this is my fishing spear. It's a 3-piece spear, hand spear, not a spear gun. And then back here I got flippers, goggles, snorkel, weights, anything for spear fishing in there. I just keep that in the back end. And then last but not least, just some fishing rods. These are my kind of go-to for conventional tackle, bass fishing, river fishing. It's a Penn Fierce 2, I believe, 2500. And this is the braid I use right here, Power Pro. No matter what I'm fishing with, this is an awesome braid. I use 20-pound just because we get tangled a lot. And, you know, we do occasionally catch a 10-pound fish like a gar or something, right? 20-pound is way overkill for river fishing here in Texas. But I really like being able to retrieve my lure if I can. That 20-pound sure makes a big difference. And you can still put like 100, 125 yards on the spool, which is more than enough, right? So, okay, hope you enjoyed the gear review. The only other thing we take is all of our camera gear. That's gonna go in a dry bag too. Same one as the other stuff. So, we'll see you on the river. All right, y'all. We're headed to the Nueces. It's about an hour drive from home. We're going into a stretch located between Campwood and Uvalde. And we're gonna do about a 5-mile stretch. Usually takes about 4 hours to paddle. And we're just gonna take our time though. Do a lot of fishing, swimming, maybe try to spear a tilapia. Max, are you excited?
Yes. Yeah!
All right. It's gonna be a fun day, great adventure. Hope you enjoy the ride. All right, we're almost to the river. It's just right up here. You excited, Max?
No.
What? Max is Poochie. Max is Poochie. Here we are. All right, check it out.
There is tilapia.
This is gonna be so much fun. Yeah? Okay, let's park over here. We're gonna park right here. Put out our kayak and all of our gear. All right, we made it. Here's our spot. All right, Max, we're at the river. What do you think, man? Are you super excited? All right, guys, we're here at the Nueces, putting in. About to get this adventure started. Get ready. All right, Max, you ready, dude?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Off to the races. Good, good. Good day. Oh, hey, I'd be excited too, man. Y'all have a good day. Yeah. Hey, buddy. It's okay. This is where we're going. All right, you ready? Woohoo! There's a big rock. Let's try to avoid it. I don't want to walk yet. All right. Now we're finally paddling again. We'll see if we can keep that going. I don't know. Moo, what do you think, man? Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Again. Right. Finally to some deep water. Here we go. Gonna get back on the kayak. Ready, Max? Oh, dude. All right. All right. Hang on to the oar. Pick the oar up. Hold on to that. Okay, you ready? Oh. Okay, scoot up a little. There you go. All right, let's go. Now we're actually. Hey, tell you what, let's pull over here and rig up our rods, huh? Ooh, look at that, dude.
have to take off my hat to go swimming.
Are you gonna go swimming? You wanna go swimming? Hot? It's cool, huh? It's such a beautiful spot, man.
Right up here we can start doing it.
Yeah.
We can drop the anchor.
Huh?
We can drop the anchor.
Yeah, we could drop the anchor. All right, you ready? Move back, move back. Yep, good spot. Good spot, dude. Okay. Watch out, watch the trees. Okay, here we go. All right. Check it out, Max. Oh, dude. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Hold on, no, 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 no. Okay. We made it. Oh, look at this pretty spot. All right. I bet you there's fish right in here. Look. Should we get our rods ready? Okay. All right. Check out this spot. Max is gonna do a little bit of snorkeling. Some really nice deep water over here and down the side of this hole. So, just got started, having a ton of fun. You're gonna go in for it? Okay.
I see a fish in the water.
Oh yeah, it's a worm. Look for a gold ring, that would be even better.
Yeah, treasure.
Treasure. Buried treasure.
Yeah.
I have not seen a single fish in the water though, except for back there by the bridge.
And that's where the tornado.
All right, found a spot here on this rock. What do you think, Max?
Just go up here.
Really?
Just right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that's just a little perch.
Oh, catch it.
Let's see what we can catch here.
Oh my gosh, I actually see a tilapia. Oh, it's just right. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom to the board. Okay, dude.
Let's see if we can get us a bass or something.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, oh!
Got
I
one?
got a little fish.
Can I hold him?
Oh, dude.
Can I hold him? Can
Check it out. I side hooked him.
Can we eat him?
No. Oh, there he goes back in the water. He fell right off. Oh, fish first cast, y'all.
Cast over here.
First cast, dude.
Cast over here.
Okay, okay. Oh, there's a bass right below our boat right there. Let's see if he'll bite. You see him, Max? You see him? All right, Max. Cast some, dude. Show us how to do it. You gonna cast a few? Not like that. That's not how you cast.
Oh, the fish coming too.
You gotta reel it up.
I'm waiting for them.
You gotta reel it up. So something to be aware of when you're fishing in Texas is most of the land surrounding our rivers is private, but the river itself, the river bed and the water is public. And so this is a really good example. What you're supposed to do is you stay inside the gradient boundary is the terminology, and basically that's honestly the edge of the water on a river spot like this. Some rivers it's like 12 inches above gradient boundary. But like right now we're fishing off of this. We're fishing off this rock that's essentially an island, right? So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. See, so here's Max having himself a little snack, and we got our kayak parked right there on top of the rock. And then, you know, so essentially we are on an island, so to speak, right? And there's a ton of little perch and look like bluegills mostly, and maybe some sun perch, maybe some Rio Grande perch, some Rio Grande cichlids also is what they call them in this little spot here. But we're having a really hard time getting them to bite. First cast we side hooked a little perch, but that was it. So we're gonna try to spot just a hair longer and then move on down the river. We'll get out, we'll sit somewhere up here and eat lunch, Max. Ready? Hold on. All right. Whoop. Dude, check out that log in the river right there. Check that out. It's a massive log in the river right here. It's so cool. Beautiful. Love it when the trees overhang the river like this. It's so cool. We have not seen another person on the river, and we've gone about a mile. It's awesome. Max, what's the most fun thing about being out in nature? Everything?
I just saw a kite.
Yeah, no, I saw that too. Let's find us a shady spot to eat some lunch. Pick your feet up. Spot. Got some water coming up here. There's a set of rapids. Oh! That was fun. All right, now you can get back up front. Here, hop out. Hop out and grab us. Oi, oi. Okay, get in, hurry. Good job, Max. Woo, Max, you saved us. Attaboy. You did it, man. Ooh, look at this spot. This is pretty. cool cliff coming up here. There you go, Max. Get on, hop on. Oh. Hey, stop splashing me, you're splashing me. Hey, stop. Max, you're splashing me, dude. Don't splash me. Ooh, this is a cool spot. Wow, check that out. Yeah, look at these caves on the side of the rocks up here. I would say an animal definitely lives in one of those. What do you think, Max? How cool is that? Bears? Look at this cave up here. I'd say some animals living in that cave for sure. There's actually quite a few. There's 3 or 4 up here. It's super cool. Yeah. Watch out! Woohoo! That was fun. That was fun. All right. Getting ourselves a little lunch here. Taking a stop here in the middle of the river. Maybe get wet. It's kind of getting hot. What do you think, Max?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Little ham sandwiches.
But pull us down.
Check it out, I got this life straw here. Max wants to try some river water. See what it's like. What do you think? What do you think, Max? You want to try it? Okay. Want me to try it first? Okay, here, you hold the camera and watch me get the water. Watch, ready? Down here. I can't get anything to go through it.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. I can't get it to work.
Yeah, I'll make it. I know how to.
No. Seriously, dude.
Here,
Hold
let
on.
me try. Yeah, I'll try.
Working.
I'll try.
Hold on. I know why. Max, what do you think, buddy? We'll go do some snorkeling. Here we go. Oh, water's a little cold. Hmm.
Are you a teenager?
Am I a teenager?
Yeah.
No.
How
I
did
was
that
one
tree
time.
fall down?
I don't know, it just did.
How
I was a teenager one time in my life.
when? How tall?
I'm about the same size now as when I graduated from high school. I'm 200 pounds and 6 foot. Basically the same size. Isn't that pretty wild?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Hey Max, let's fish this spot. Hold on. Will you hold the kayak? Can you hold it? There you go. That's good, that's good, that's good. Here, you want to fish?
I'm getting a big fish. It's too big.
Oh, I'm on. I got one. Oh, it came off, man. Oh my gosh. First cast and I was on. Oh my.
Unhook the net.
Hold on. No, it's okay. Hold on. I got another one. Oh my gosh. Probably the same fish.
Right here.
Okay, got one. Got a fish, Max. Max. Here he is. Oh, dude.
Fast.
Oh. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Can I hold him and let him go?
Oh my gosh, dude. Hold on, wait.
Step bass.
Oh my gosh, we finally got a fish.
Ooh, this one's poisonous.
Hold on. He got this hook way in his mouth.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Can I let go?
Max, hold him like that. Hold him. Wait. Keep a hold of him. Max, hold him up, man. We finally got a fish. We got a bass. Sweet. Okay, let him gently down in the water right there.
Okay.
Show me how you do it, man. Oh, dude. That is awesome. We finally got a fish. We didn't get skunked. Yes! Woo! All right, let's try again. This spot seems to be, I mean, that's 3 hits in a row. Max, you reel in the next one. Oh my gosh, I got another hit. Come here, Max. Come here and get ready. Oh my gosh, man. There are a ton of fish right here in this spot. Hold on, Max. Max, stay right here. I'm gonna get one and you gotta reel it in. Get ready. Oh, that's all right. Reel it in. Reel it in, dude. Reel. There you go. Watch. Keep reeling. Don't pull like that. Just reel. Reel. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Don't pull like that. There you go, buddy. Hey, we got a fish, man. Throw it right out there in this area. Nice. There you go. Reel it in. Good try. Good try.
Can you go scuba diving over here?
No, not right here. Let's go to the next spot. Okay, one more cast. One more cast and then let's go to the next spot. Huh? Oh, you got some weeds. That's all right. Reel it in. Good try, man. Good try. All right. Let's go to the next spot. This yielded some good results right here. Hey, we finally got a fish. Sweet. Woo! Here's the spot we might be able to snorkel and spearfish. Hey, pull your feet in, man.
Let's be a fish over here. So finally, say, just
Hang on. Oh, this looks like a nice spot. Hold on. Not right here. The water's moving too fast right here. Let's get out of the shallow rocks. Get up. You all right? Dude, that's what happens when you fool around. You okay? You okay? Are you sure? All right. Dude, you gotta be careful, okay? All right. That scared you?
Yeah.
Well, you kind of scared me. Ooh, this is looking fishy, fishy, fishy. Can you turn that camera on real quick? Ooh, look, there's some fish right there.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let's get up here a little bit. Put your feet in. Put your feet in, Max.
Yeah, can I go swimming?
Let's get up here. Let's get up here by the bend. All right, we found this really sweet deep hole on the river here.
What?
Up along this bank over here is like at least 10 feet deep. Bunch of fish in there. Gonna see if we can spear something. What?
Well,
Mask?
water's getting into this.
I saw it. Here,
Yes.
put it in your mouth. Now, like that. Ready? video poo. Number 2. That's why you bring TP right there, man. Call of the wild. All right. Max got himself a little snack here. We're gonna keep moving down the river. Tried a little bit of spear fishing.
Yeah.
No luck actually getting fish, but it was super fun. Max, you did such a good job snorkeling. You just need a little bit better snorkel, don't you? Kind of bought a cheap little snorkel this morning, and you know, you really do get what you pay for, unfortunately. Take a big bite of that plum, man. Tell me how it is. Oh yeah, how is it? Good. Nice. Oh, something else we saw right here, just flying right here, and we couldn't get any video of it, but there was a awesome osprey fishing, and it went back and forth like 3 times. Finally got a fish down there at the end of the big water hole where my finger is. That was super cool to watch. You don't see osprey that often, and you hardly ever see them go fishing like that, so that was really cool. All right, you ready to keep moving? Okay.
Hey, Dad, we only saw one fish.
Yeah?
A bass.
Yeah, we did.
And some catfish.
Fishy looking spot, dude. Pull your feet up, please. What are you doing, son?
It's slippery.
Hop in. Get back in. Come on.
I was just
Pull up. What are you doing, man?
like this.
See any fish on that log?
Yeah.
You do?
Huh?
For real?
You just need to get a little bit more close here. And then I'll be able to smash it.
That is so cool looking. Wow, check this out. Look how
I see 2 fish.
Look how clear the water is. Oh, I see them.
Yep.
I had a fish, had a bite. Darn. What I've noticed with these fish here on the river is you gotta let them take the bait. Oh man, check this spot out. This is beautiful right here.
Let's go from there.
Oh my gosh, there are fish everywhere and they just will not bite. I'm gonna put it right in front of a bass, right? Come on. Oh, just bite it. Oh my gosh. He's right here.
Give us 1 fish for the day. Just 1.
Look, I'm gonna put it right in front of his face. right here. Cool little cave right up in there.
3 points.
It's right where we saw that osprey. These Texas rivers are really beautiful, y'all. And the Nueces River is exceptional. It is just absolutely gorgeous here. And, you know, we need to do everything we can to protect these places, protect these wild places, so that we can all come and enjoy them. Hope y'all are enjoying the ride. Max and I have had a blast. If you like what you've seen today, please hit the like and subscribe button. Helps our channel out tremendously. We're really trying to grow this into something cool. We'd love to share it with more people. We really appreciate and love you guys. Thanks for watching. Hard to see, but there are some little baby bass right here. They're right here in the water, y'all. These boats are notorious for flipping over. Let's see what the best way to do this is gonna be. I think right there down the middle, man. You ready? Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa! Knock it in. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That almost got my rod. Oh my. Okay. That was a little hairy, huh? That was kind of scary for a minute. You're okay.
My leg went.
You're all right. You're a big boy. Is that a fish in the middle of the water, or is that a rock? Hey, pick your legs up. Getting tired? We're almost at the end. We're almost at the end. You're okay, man. Hey, you know, a half-day kayak ride is just about right for a 6-year-old, honestly. Like, I think a full day, 8-10 hours, would have just been too much, honestly. So, lessons learned here. He's been a pretty good sport so far. It's been fun, huh, Max? What do you think, buddy? No? Hey, thumbs up, dude. Thumbs down. Boo on you. What happened?
I got cut.
Let me see. Oh man, that is a real cut. How'd you do that?
Well, I was just in the water and then I was trying to get up and got cut by the fishing pole on this.
You cut it on the fishing line?
Yeah.
Oh man. Is it alright?
No.
What do you want on it? A Band-Aid?
No. It went so bad.
Okay, you're alright. It's okay. It's okay. The realities of fishing with a 6-year-old that gets a cut on his tail. You're okay, man. You're okay. That help?
A little bit.
You okay?
It went
I know.
so bad. It was just like the other guy. Got so slow.
I know. Thumbs up, man. Come on. Oh, that was a terrible thumbs up. There you go, attaboy. Love it when my Max smiles. Oh, don't do that. What does that mean? What does sideways mean? So-so? Más o menos? Dude, this has been awesome. We're getting close to the end, y'all. All right, there's the bridge up there, y'all. This is the end of our paddling trip. Last couple 100 yards.
Yay!
Max is totally done. He's done.
Yeah.
Now, hey, you can't drink that water. I'm being serious, man. You're gonna get the cacahuates drinking that water.
That's a what?
Yeah, cacahuates.
What are
The poo-poos.
they?
The watery poo-poos coming out of your booty. Huh? Yeah, you will, drinking that water. Protozoa, bacteria.
Okay, I do.
No, don't. Don't. I can't believe you just did that after I told you not to drink it. I'm serious. It'll make you sick. It can put you in the hospital. The fishing string on the pole is what cut you? Bud? That's what cut your toe? The string on the pole? Yikesy, Mikesy.
I thought it was on my.
Got a party waiting for us here at the end. What do you think about that, Max? No, I don't think they're waiting for us. They're just partying in the river. All right, y'all, the bridge right up here. That's our takeout point. End of our adventure today. We hope y'all enjoyed the ride. If you like what you saw, please hit the like and subscribe button down at the bottom. Have a good one. See you next time. All right, y'all, it's the end of the day. We had an awesome adventure, didn't we, Max? The Nueces River was beautiful. Got to spend some time together, do some fishing, kayaking, spear fishing, some snorkeling. Epic day. Life's an adventure. Make the most of it. See you next time.
Bye.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.